Okay, on this one, we're gonna pocket twice on a single part. So when you go to File, go to Open from my computer, and look for number 6 to the Pocket Multi. Open. We're gonna change the orientation. This will be our front. Oop. And this will be your home. All right. Check your document settings. It's in inches. Go to Design, Manufacture. Make sure this is in inches. Click on that icon, change that to inch. Click OK. We're gonna set it up. Z is facing the wrong way. So let's go here, orientation, select Z axis. Select that. It's facing the wrong way, so we're gonna flip it. Click on origin, model origin. All right, everything is facing the right way. Select stock and no additional stock. And then click OK. We're gonna do it 2D pocket. The way we do the 2D pocket on this, the first step will be different. And this one, we're not going to use a smaller tool to cut the corners. So we're just going to leave those alone. Okay. And then there'll be some left over. So click on Select Tool. Choose. We're going to choose 1/4 end mill. Select. Change your cutting feed rate to 20. Geometry. This one's a bit different. We're going to set a boundary right here. So the tool is not going to cut anything beyond this, the boundary. We're going to select heights, and we're going to change the bottom height. Click on that and click on selection. We're going to choose that upper triangle. And we just go to passes, multi-step over, half of 0.25 divided by 2. 125, so we're going to change the maximum step over to 0.125. The multiple depths, we're going to change that to 0.125. And then no stock to leave. Click OK. Should you see something like this, again, multiple depths, step overs, it does, and you notice that there's some left over there. Okay, we're going to do another 2D pocket. It's going to assume that you want to use the same tool, which we are going to use. Go to geometry now. Now we're just going to select this area. Okay, no rest machining. Click on heights. What we're going to do now, bottom height is the selected contour, which is that triangle, the bottom triangle. Passes, let's change that to 1.25. Multiple depths, 125. No stock to leave, and click OK. All right, and you notice it just cuts that triangle. All right, go to setup, right click on it and simulate. Press play. That one's quite fast, so press play again. So you notice in pockets it does a circular motion. What it does, instead of plunging all the way down straight, it's easier on the tool because these tools are really meant to cut um, linearly. It's not supposed to plunge down in one. But if the depth is not that much, sometimes it's safer. So this would be best for like metal. As you fast forward that, so that was the first pocket, and then this was the second pocket, and you notice there are some left over, which you can clean up with a smaller tool. Go to File, Save. Again, remember your first and last name should be at the beginning of this file name. Locations admin, then click Save, and then you're set. And that's it. Thank you.